Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WordPress affiliate plugins for faster link management, full guide step by step clearly. To activate WordPress affiliate plugins, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Add New to explore available plugins. In the search bar, type in the name of the affiliate plugin you want to use. Popular options include Thirsty Affiliates, Pretty Links, and Affiliate WP. Once you find your desired plugin, click on Install Now. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Next, navigate to the Plugins Settings page. This is usually located in the left-hand menu under the name of the plugin. Configure the general settings according to your preferences. Look for options related to link creation and management. Ensure you enable features that suit your link management needs. For affiliate link creation, find the section that allows you to add new links. Enter the URL of the affiliate product you want to promote. Fill in the required fields, such as link name and description. Save the new link, and your affiliate URL will be generated. You can also categorize your links for easier management later. To shorten or cloak the link, use the plugin's built-in tools. Once configured, test the generated affiliate URL to ensure it redirects correctly. If everything looks good, proceed to add these links in your posts or pages. Using your affiliate links in content helps track performance efficiently. Regularly check the plugin's dashboard for statistics on clicks and conversions. Adjust your strategy based on this data for better results. Keep your plugins updated to ensure optimal performance and security. Take advantage of any additional features offered by the plugin for link management. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your affiliate links in WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.